If you've ever been lucky enough to encounter one on the trail, you know that the wolf is one of the planet's most majestic creatures. But have you ever wondered how many types of wolves there really are? There are 40 different types of wolves that currently wander the planet. Wolves have historically been one of the most feared animal species in the Northern Hemisphere. For generations, some cultures have hunted wolves in order to protect livestock, a practice that quickly led to the decimation of many wolf subspecies. In fact, wolves are arguably one of the most persecuted animals on the planet, a reality that has driven at least 14 distinct subspecies to extinction within the last few centuries. To name a few wolf species walking the earth are gray, Arctic, Mexican, Eastern, Ethiopian, red, Himalayan, Indian, and the tundra wolf. Furthermore, all wolves are part of the family Canidae, which includes other familiar canines such as all types of foxes and dogs. These days, wolves live in parts of North America, Eurasia, and Oceania. Within North America, the primary wolf populations are found in Canada and Alaska, though you can find some wolves in the northern Rocky Mountains, in parts of the southwestern U.S., and in isolated groups in North Carolina. Meanwhile, there are various wolf subspecies found throughout Eurasia, as well as a few subspecies in the Arabian Peninsula, New Guinea, and Australia. That being said, wolves used to be much more widespread than they are today. Wolves are very resilient animals that can survive in a wide range of different habitats. Depending on the subspecies, you can find wolves in forests, shrublands, grasslands, wetlands, tundra, pastures, alpine regions, and even in the desert. Due to years of hunting, most wolf subspecies now live in much more northerly and remote locales, particularly in boreal forests and tundras. But wolves can survive in a great variety of environmental conditions. While the diet and eating habits of wolves vary from subspecies to subspecies, all wolves are carnivores. They are considered to be pack hunters, so they will work together to take down their prey. For the most part, wolves prefer to eat hoofed mammals like deer, moose, caribou, and the like. However, they will also prey on livestock, which is why they've gotten such a bad reputation over the centuries. With that in mind, wolves are opportunistic feeders when food is in short supply. So you may find them eating anything from rodents and hares to birds, eggs, and carrion. Furthermore, some coastal subspecies of wolves will eat fish, particularly in British Columbia, while many European wolves will eat fruits and grass if necessary for their survival. Wolves are known for being pack animals. They mostly live in family packs with complex social structures. Within the pack, there is usually a mated pair and their offspring, who eventually will grow up and leave the pack to form their own pack later in life. However, some wolves are lone wolves that don't join a pack. This is usually just a temporary situation that occurs after they leave a pack to join a new one. Nevertheless, some older females will live on their own for years, though this is not common. An average wolf can sprint as fast as 38 miles per hour when chasing down prey. Wolves are voracious eaters. Depending on the subspecies, they can often eat up to 30 pounds of meat in a single sitting. What's more, they can usually go up to 2 weeks without eating without any negative health issues whenever food is scarce. Traditionally, we humans thought that wolves traveled in packs that were led by a single dominant male, the alpha wolf. Researchers initially thought that wolves had to fight their way to the top of the pack, at which point they ran the show. However, it turns out wolves, like most wild animals, are afraid of humans. Since they don't have any natural predators besides some bears, most wolves aren't scared of other wildlife, but they tend to run away before we humans can even get close to them. In fact, most wolves will try to run away or hide if you get within about 50 yards of them. New research shows that wolves don't necessarily compete with each other for the role of top dog. Instead, they form their own packs by mating and producing pups. So, the two parents in the pack are both pack leaders, except in rare instances where there's more than one breeding animal within the pack. Wolves howl to communicate with each other. They may howl to contact separated members of their group, to rally the group before hunting, or to warn rival wolf packs to keep away. Lone wolves will howl to attract mates or just because they are alone. Each wolf howls for only about 5 seconds, but howls can seem much longer when the entire pack joins in. Wolves have about 200 million scent cells. Humans have only about 5 million. Wolves can smell other animals more than 1 mile away. That's pretty amazing. The lifespan of wolves depends very much on their living conditions. Wild wolves live shorter lives than those in captivity. Wolves in captivity are taken care of by humans and hence have access to better conditions. There are currently 3 different species of wolf. However, there are about 40 different subspecies of wolf. There are also plenty of external factors that can cut a wolf's life short in the wild. The average lifespan of wolves is about 7 to 8 years, depending on the species of wolves, as their lives can often be cut short by external factors. While wolves can live up to 14 years old in the wild, many wolves die from illness or from fighting with prey or other predators. In captivity, wolves often die from old age or incurable illness. Wolves have played a significant role in mythology, pop culture, and even literature, inspiring countless stories and legends. Whether you're a fan of werewolves or just have a soft spot for these majestic animals, there's no denying that wolves are a force to be reckoned with. Thanks for joining me on this fascinating journey into the world of wolves. These incredible creatures play a vital role in maintaining balance in the wild, and their unique social structures teach us so much about teamwork and survival. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more amazing wildlife adventures, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest stories. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.